So let's talk power consumption. I just upgraded my fridge to a new DC 12 volt fridge. It's the Everchill. It's not a two-way, not a three-way, just strictly runs on 12 volt, and it's been on for a full 24 hours on one battery. Now I do have some solar panels, we're going to check those out in a second, but off of one charge it's been on exactly 24 hours now. And as you see, the fridge is on. The inside temperature is a nice 42 degrees, and I have it on the third setting here. It's blinking in the camera, I don't know why, but it's not blinking on the actual unit itself. So it's on 3. Imagine if I put it to 5. I actually wanted to save some power, so I have it on 3, but it is at 41. And let's check out the freezer here. So the freezer, oh, as soon as I open this, it's freezing. The freezer is freezing, how about that? And it's 13 degrees, nice. And look at that, I don't even have it on the coldest setting. It's right to the right of the middle. So, I mean, nice. As you see here, I mean, this fridge hasn't even been used. I just installed it yesterday. So off of one battery charge, it's been on 24 hours and it's still going. So let's go see the solar panels that I have on the roof here. Look at these solar panels here, they're pretty dirty. They are Renogy solar panels. Let me see if I can see the wattage anywhere. When I bought the RV, it had the solar panels on already, so I don't have too much information on them other than what's on the panel itself. No, it doesn't say anything on here. So these solar panels would either be 50 watt or 25 watt each. I'm not sure which one. I have to go online and look at the serial number here and see what it can tell me. But they are Renogy solar panels. So the battery I have here, let's see if I have the key on me, is a Full River 115 watt or 115 amp hour, excuse me, battery, and it's a group 31 battery. Let's check this out here, just if you're wondering what battery you need, what battery to go with. Same thing with this battery. This battery was here when I bought the RV. I don't know the age of it, but check it out. It's a DC 115-12 deep cycle group 31 sealed battery, maintenance free. And these are the specs down here. I can't pull this out anymore, but I don't know if you can see that. It's a 200 minute 25 amp reserve capacity. Let's see here, deep cycle 20 hour rated 115 amp hour battery. This thing's a beast. It's huge. It goes all the way to the back there, and it's about 70 pounds. I just actually ordered another battery. It was about 300 bucks. I can't remember the brand. Something Max, something Pro. It was kind of off brand. I needed to get it fairly quickly, and that was the only 3-day battery, the same group 31, kind of the same specs here. It was a 135 amp hour, but it looks like I'm gonna have to mount that one over to the side over here because it doesn't fit right here. And you know what, I might not even need it, because if I can go a full 24 hours without a charge, I mean, what more can you ask for, unless you're boondocking for a long period of time. Even at that, I got my solar panels up there, and I could just crank on the truck, the RV, to charge the battery every once in a while. Let's look at this in here. This is the best part of the unit. Check this out. Look at this. You don't have to do any maintenance at all. I did these little brackets here. I put some liquid nails right here. These really are not gonna hold too much. It's just to keep this in place for the vibration. It's not really, if you have a sudden turn or something, I mean, it's holding by itself. It's just for the vibration, so this thing doesn't go anywhere. But I mean, besides that, check this out. I took the line off right here, the propane line, capped it myself. Not a very difficult thing to do. I thought it'd be a little bit more tedious, a little bit more something that you would have to have more knowledge about, but I did it myself, and that's one of the main things I was worried about, was the propane line, removing it myself. There's only 2 wires that you have to connect for this whole unit, the positive and the negative, which you should already have from your previous fridge. So I didn't install these wires at all, they were already there. So those are the two wires up top, negative and positive, and all these other wires down here already come attached to the fridge from the factory. So you just have to wire those two up there, and that's it. I had to actually remove this because it was hitting, so I just moved this out the way. I was gonna actually take this off and cap it, but it was just easier to move it out the way. So right now all I'm gonna do is set this screw right here, and then we're pretty much done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my channel for a ton of other RV related videos. Check you on the next one.